Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple has introduced iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, and like previous years, the professional models comes in graphite, silver and gold colors. New this year is the eye-catching Sierra Blue model. If you have decided to buy the new iPhones, the second most important question is which color to choose from. So let's see all the colors in detail in this video and find out which one is the best for you. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Starting with the gold color, it's very similar to the last year model and nothing has changed. The shiny stainless steel on the side and a very subtle gold color in matte finish. As usual, it's a winner and conveys pure sophistication. Let's talk about silver, which looks more like a metallic white. A very impressive color once again. Nearly as iconic as graphite. Silver has been a popular iPhone color choice for many years, and it shines in this year also. I would say it's an iconic and traditional color. Also, this color hides minor scratches because of the dark color and gives the iPhone a classic look. Graphite is one of the most popular colors of all time. Now let's talk about the new and unique color Sierra Blue. Apple has replaced the Pacific Blue from the iPhone 12 Pro series with iPhone 13 Pro's Sierra Blue for this year's Pro lineup. It's a very impressive and smart color choice. Once again, a subtle light blue color gives a fresh new look. And because of its newness, it's the most popular color for this year, at least in the comments below. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.